Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp and VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, money is an illusion. If there's one thing 2020 should have taught everyone, it's that we must rethink how we create income. The money we earn is not a true representation of our value. It's a game, and it's rigged. Many jobs in 2020 were deemed non-essential, and many of the essential jobs barely paid enough to get by. There's no one, no government, and no employer that has your best interest at heart. And if your income is dependent on someone else or something else, it can all go away in a flash. In 2021, right now, secure your own income source. For me and many other voice actors that I know, we did not experience any kind of financial setback in 2020. As a matter of fact, 2020 was my best year to date, and I've been doing this for 40 years. Let that sink in. We play by different rules. We have the ability to create our own income. We're not dependent on the corporate world or other businesses for our income. We can work through the lockdowns, restrictions, stay-at-home orders. None of this has to affect us financially. I'm committed more than ever to help people learn voiceover, how to create their own income, how to reinvent themselves while leveraging the internet. Love what you do, and the money will follow. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp Online. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.